Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima and you're trying to find the fuses for your headlights or automatic headlights guys. Those fuses will work for both, and we'll explain guys, you have actually two fuses. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain where each one of them is located. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the footwell, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here. Remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So we showed you where that fuse box is located, so we can show you with the great detail guys. Okay, the fuses, we took a picture so we can zoom, otherwise it's impossible to stick the camera, light and my hand at the same time to show you the fuse. When you replace fuses, it's always recommended to disconnect the car battery, and if you don't do it the right way, okay, you can damage your electrical system. So we have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. The first fuse guys, okay, that we need to check is known as fuse number module number 1 guys. That's the back side of the fuse cover. We took a picture and zoomed it a little bit, so if you look, this fuse right here, okay, that will be guys the 4th row. Okay, you go to 1 2 3 4 and then you go down to 1 2 3 4. That 7.5 amp fuse guys, that's the one that you need to check. Okay, that fuse is super important for the headlights. Then you have another one guys, but where is the other one? It doesn't say headlights again, it says room LP, so it will be that fuse right here. So if you come to the bottom, okay, this fuse, okay, right here is the one, okay, that can control the headlights, automatic headlights. Check it out as well. It's a 10 amp fuse. How you remove it, that yellow thing, you just push in and grab it. It will pull the two fuses out, then you can replace each one of them and push it back in together, both of them at the same time. Now, if you guys need to test the fuse, find out how to test one. It takes practically only a few seconds to test the fuse. We'll put the link in the description of the video below and it will explain all that. So that way you'll know for sure if the fuse is good or bad. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.